Let's learn the F chord. Welcome to Melody Bar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the F chord. Now the F chord is a bar chord, so that might be a bit tricky at first. So if you stick with the video, later on I'm going to show you how to play an easier version too. You're going to place your first finger all the way across all of the strings on the first fret. You're going to put your third finger on the third fret of the A string. You're going to put your fourth finger on the third fret of the D string. And you put your second finger on the second fret of the G string. When you play the F chord, you play all of the strings, from the thickest to the thinnest. And there you have the F chord. Now, if barring is a little bit too tricky for you at this point, I'm going to show you an easier version. You put your third finger on the third fret of the D string. Put your second finger on the second fret of the G string. And now you're going to place your first finger across both strings, B and the E, on the first fret. Now when you play this easier version of F, you do not play the low E string or the A string. You start from the D string. And there you have the easy F. The easy F still might be a little bit tricky as you have to bar the B and the high E string. However, if you stick with that for now, eventually you can upgrade to the full version of F. And there you have the F chord. Please check out more from Melody Bar, like this video right here. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be updated with everything Melody Bar to come. Melody Bar, music for everyone.